Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. We are less than 1 month away from the first ever Midsouth Expo coming up in March in Parsons, Tennessee. And I wanted to make a quick video to tell you guys what we are bringing to that show and what is available yet to order for that show. So without further ado, I'm going to give you a tour of a few machines. First up, at the time of this video, this red 17 VS will be available for pickup at the show in Parsons, Tennessee. We really want to bring this to the show to run it and have a customer pick it up from there if they desire. And I'll go over a couple of the newer things that we have done with the verticals here. So you can see we've got the black beam, and we changed things around a little bit here. Where we used to have a welded on Wolfe, we wanted to bring some color back, some flare back to the machine. So you can see that we have a bolt-on Wolfe that is the same color as the body of the splitter. I think that is a pretty sharp look. And also we went with zinc on the VS main wedge. And guys have been asking us about that. It gives a little bit more visibility. You can see the black here, the silver here, and in darker conditions, you really got better visibility with the zinc plating on that wedge. This is a standard configuration. So this has a Honda IGX 390 single cylinder engine with automatic choke and electronic throttle. So we've got idle and full speed. Start it from the front here, don't have to go around to the back. It does have a manual override for the choke if you're in very cold weather. Got the foot pedal here, we're up in storage position. Jack legs, tail lights are standard on all of our vertical splitters, and the 180-degree log lift is standard equipment. This one could still get a hydraulic oil cooler package added to it if you'd like. This is a standard stroke, 20-inch stroke, and we do have the stroke length limiter set up on this, on all of our verticals. Now, while this VS is the exact machine that will be going to the Parsons show, out back we've got a few other of standard configuration machines I can show you. They're not the ones going to Parsons, but they're going to be basically identical machines to that. We've got a 17 XS with the log lift, and we've got a 28C. These machines are heading elsewhere, but we have identical configurations to both this 17 XS and that 28C heading to the Midsouth Expo. With the 17 XS, you get 17 tons, a 4.5 second cycle time. This one is configured with the hydraulic log lift, and that hydraulic log lift can be switched to either side, ambidextrous beam. We've got our cradle over here that can be run flat, and running the Honda GX390, 13 horse engine. We do not have auto cycle on this machine because the XS and the RS we build with one or the other, but basically you've got your split lever, and then you've got a detented return. Log lift lever here. You can run our IC16 in-feed conveyor hopper off of this machine quite easily. Just did that a few weeks ago at the Messick's open house event, and that worked out very well. Here we've got a 28C compact commercial, 28C Magnum we call it. It's got the big bore cylinder, 28 tons, 6.5 second cycle time. You get auto cycle, you get hydraulic log lift, you get hydraulic wedge height adjustment. You can see that newer zinc style wedge we're running. Again, we have a hydraulic log lift that can be run on either side of the beam, and that same cradle that can be run flat or removed completely if you like. Both the XS and the 28C are running a 25-gallon hydraulic oil tank, cartridge style hydraulic oil filter on the top of them, and you can see sight glass with temperature and hydraulic oil level. We will have a Pro X on display at that show, but at this moment that one is sold, so we'll be running it, but that one will be not available for purchase at the event. And give you another close-up of our newest wedge design, getting that pin and clip behind the wedge rather than crossways there. We will have on display a Kindlet Pro. This is a TRH model, so this will run off of tractor hydraulics. This one is spoken for, it's sold, but we will still be running that at the event. And here you can see we've got the chutes on a separate pallet here. We will also have a Kindlet 200. This Kindlet 200 right here is a 240 volt electric one, but we will be running a tractor hydraulic powered one at that show. And that Kindlet 200 is available at this moment. And here, big brother to both of those, Splitter 400. We got some big stuff in the works for this. That'll be coming in a future video. So on the Wolfe Ridge side of things, going to the show, at the time of this video, not yet sold, we have a 17 XS with log lift, red. We've got a 28C, red. We've got a 17 VS behind me, red. We could still add a hydraulic oil cooler to that, or a kick-out stop plate if you wanted. We have a 35HO that was actually my personal demo unit. That is listed on our Facebook page. We've got more pictures and videos there of that. That's also going to this event for pickup at the event. And when we're sending these machines to this event, we're not charging anything for shipping, but in return, we are going to be running these machines, doing demonstrations with them on Friday and Saturday at the show. And we ask that you pick the machine up later in the day on Saturday so that we have time to show these configurations to people who may want to order something in the future. If you'd like more information on any of the products that Wolfe Ridge offers, including pricing, tech specs, photos, videos, dealer locator, event schedule, and more, please check out our website, www.wolferidgemfg.com. You can give us a call or send us an email. I'll put those links in the description. I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for the support. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next at Wolfe Ridge.